checking of all the things that the person is healthy or not. If
Right.
he is healthy, if he is not addicted from anything, so he or she can donate.
I think I'm not sure that you understood my question. My question was that how can we determine that person is healthy or not healthy? Any example you have or any criteria? Like, okay, in if I want to understand, somebody talks about Hinduism, right? So I have to go back in the source, what Gita, Mahabharata says. If I want to understand Muslim, I have to go back to the source, like Quran, Christian, Bible. Likewise, in medical field, where we go back, what we see, the physical body or something else.
Yes, yes, sir. One of that is physical health. Also, we can see physical health and
Hmm.
mental health.
Okay.
As I said earlier, that the combination of all the things like
Right.
physical, mental, and other things. If we see those things, those are perfect. Then the person is like healthy. So
Okay,
I'm not
fine.
sure about it. Allah knows
Ha
the
ha.
best who is healthy or not.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I think there are people talk about that metabolic health. Have you heard about it? Metabolic health.
No, sir, I haven't
People
heard.
perform this medical test to understand whether a person is healthy or not. So metabolic test is there, but I think no test whatsoever is perfect.
Yes.
Still, we don't know the person who we say like he is unhealthy or she is unhealthy. They can be healthy. So again, Allah knows best. God knows best. We don't know. And last, should I ask more question? How much time does it? Some people have a habit of procrastination. They put off, they delay things, they don't do on time. Do you think it is also a unhealthy habits? uh, People, they don't do the task at hand. For example, I'm supposed to record videos, but I'm saying no, let's do next time. And when the next time comes, I say no, let's do another month. And I keep procrastinating, or I'm keep delaying, I'm keep putting off that things. So is it a good habit or not?